Are you looking for a business idea that's fun and different? If so, starting an axe-throwing business might be the perfect venture for you. This rapidly growing industry provides an exciting and unique form of entertainment that is gaining significant popularity worldwide. However, diving into a business endeavor of this nature requires more than just enthusiasm and love of a competitive game. This guide will provide a detailed overview of the axe-throwing business, key steps to get started and answers to common questions. Business overview. An axe-throwing business provides a recreational space where individuals, groups, and even corporate teams can engage in the exciting activity of throwing axes at wooden targets. It combines elements of sport, entertainment, and social interaction in a controlled environment. The potential revenue streams for an axe-throwing business can be diverse, including but not limited to fees for axe-throwing sessions, membership subscriptions, tournament organization, private event hosting, and sales of merchandise or refreshments. Industry summary. The axe-throwing industry, originating from Canada, has experienced a rapid surge in popularity globally, particularly among millennials seeking unique entertainment experiences. Despite its niche appeal, the industry has expanded across the United States and other regions, operating in supervised indoor facilities. Although the COVID-19 pandemic impacted the industry, with a market value of $163 million in 2020 according to IBS World, it is expected to continue its growth trajectory in the coming years. Industry trends. The axe-throwing industry is undergoing dynamic changes, adapting to diverse markets through emerging trends. Businesses are increasingly incorporating technology, utilizing digital scoring systems, VR enhancements, and online booking platforms to elevate the user experience. Another trend involves creating family-friendly venues to broaden the customer base, catering to teens and hosting youth events. Entrepreneurs are exploring mobile axe throwing, offering portable lanes for events and private parties. Additionally, themed events such as Halloween or Christmas and the rise of axe-throwing leagues contribute to a vibrant industry, fostering a sense of community and encouraging repeat customers. Target market. The target market for axe-throwing businesses is surprisingly diverse, attracting a broad range of demographics. Primary groups include millennials and young adults seeking unique experiences, corporate groups for team-building events, enthusiasts participating in leagues, special event groups celebrating occasions, tourists and adventure seekers looking for local thrills, and even families with older children or teenagers. Recognizing and catering to these segments allows axe-throwing business owners to tailor their offerings and marketing strategies effectively. If you're thinking about starting your own axe-throwing business, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Forming an LLC would be the first thing. If you already know that you'll require a registered agent to handle your LLC, we recommend Northwest Registered Agent. Its basic LLC package includes registered agent service in the base price, and company's corporation guide service can help you with your needs. Check the link in the description below for more details. If you're looking for an affordable, no-hassle LLC service company and wish to do all the work to themselves, then you should definitely go with their service. Now, here is a step-by-step guide to get started with your axe-throwing business. Step 1. Start with research. To start a business you need to start with market research. Market research isn't just a checkbox, it's your roadmap to success. Learn how to pinpoint your ideal customers, understand their preferences, and even determine the perfect pricing strategy. We've got the scoop on cost-effective ways to conduct market research, from online surveys and social media insights to digging into public records and demographic data. Uncover the tactics of your axe-slinging competitors, explore local events and markets for real-time feedback, and tap into industry associations for a deeper understanding of the trends shaping the game. Understanding the market ensures a tailored business model that meets customer expectations and stands out in the competitive landscape, ultimately leading to a successful axe-throwing venture. Step 2. Create a business plan. After sizing up the market, the next step is crafting a killer business plan. Think of it as your business GPS, guiding you through every twist and turn. Writing it down helps you map out your ideas, tackle challenges, and impress potential backers. Key points for your excellent business plan are: services galore. Spell out exactly what you're offering. Is it just axe throwing, or are you adding extra goodies like food, merch, or event hosting? Safety first. Axe throwing means serious fun, but safety is no joke. Outline top-notch safety plans to ease worries and show you've got it all under control. Winning them over, axe throwing is unique, so your marketing game needs to be on point. Lay out your plan to attract customers and keep them coming back for more. Factor in seasonal trends. Holidays mean more axe venturous fun. Step 3. Source business funding. Once you've assessed your market and finalized your business plan, the next step is securing the necessary funding for your axe throwing business. So, what funding options are typically available for an axe throwing business? Let's talk funds. Here's the scoop on financing your exciting venture. Start with your own savings. No loan worries mean smooth sailing. But keep a money cushion for surprises. Business can be a wild ride. Bank loan, traditional but solid. Banks usually want 15% to 25% from you, a decent credit score, and maybe some collateral. Sweeten the deal with an SBA loan guarantee. Microloans magic. If you're a small fry, less than $50,000 needs, microloans are your pals. Quick and easy, but watch out for slightly higher interest rates. Then you may consider angel investors. If you prove your potential business growth, you might be lucky to get angel investors. Whatever path you choose, make sure it aligns with your business plan and long-term goals. Step 4. Register the business. With the funding in place, legally setting up to do business is your next step in your entrepreneurial journey. This involves several key components including business formation, name registration, and obtaining the appropriate licenses. Each state has different requirements for registering a business, so it's important to research the specific guidelines in your area. Pick your business structure formation, choose how your business rolls: sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Business name registration. Once you've decided, register your business name. Business licensing. Get your licenses lined up. Because axe throwing business is unique, watch for safety or special permits. Check the local rules with your city or county's licensing crew. And here's a tip: for smooth LLC sailing, check out Northwest Registered Agent. It is our top choice for affordability because of its DIY options, and it's completely free. Step 5. Select your location. Choosing the right location for your axe throwing business is a critical step after securing funding. Start by scouting areas frequented by your target demographic, drawing inspiration from successful venues. Ensure the location is easily accessible and meets specific venue requirements. Consider the ample space needed for throwing lanes, safety zones, and additional amenities like a front desk, waiting area, restrooms, and snack bar. Conduct a safety and compliance check to confirm the location allows for necessary safety measures and adheres to local zoning laws. Negotiate lease terms with the help of a lawyer, ensuring it accommodates your business needs. Look for provisions related to extended hours or structural modifications. Once the lease is signed, proceed with necessary renovations to create a welcoming and safe environment, including throwing lanes, safety barriers, and spectator areas. By systematically approaching location acquisition and setup, you can establish a functional and inviting space, setting the stage for the long-term success of your axe throwing business. Step 6. Purchase equipment. Equipping and setting up your axe throwing venue is a crucial step in translating your business plan into reality. Invest in high-quality axes and durable wooden targets, considering ongoing replacement costs. Ensure safe throwing lanes with sturdy barriers, and tailor additional equipment like a point-of-sale system or kitchen setup to your business model. Prioritize safety and layout design, maintaining distance between lanes and spectator areas. Create a welcoming atmosphere with thoughtful lighting, decor, and music aligned with your brand. Pay attention to functional areas such as the front desk, storage, restrooms, and compliance with health regulations. A well-designed and equipped venue enhances safety and customer experience, setting your business apart. Step 7. Implement the marketing plan. To effectively market your axe throwing business, create a robust online presence through a detailed website, regular content updates, and active engagement on social media platforms. Utilize Google Business Profile and other directories for increased visibility and customer reviews. In traditional marketing, join local chambers of commerce, host events, and distribute physical materials like flyers and business cards. Explore print advertising in newspapers or magazines, as well as radio ads, to reach a broad audience. A balanced approach, combining online and traditional methods, is key to attracting customers and building your business's reputation. Step 8. Hire and train staff. When hiring for an axe-throwing business, consider positions like coaches, customer service reps, and kitchen staff. Prior to hiring, understand legal requirements such as obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, setting up tax withholding systems, and complying with state and federal labor laws. Register with the state labor department, secure workers' compensation insurance, and adhere to non-discrimination laws outlined by the U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Step 9. Prepare to open. Ensure a smooth axe-throwing business operation by addressing these key areas. Obtain necessary insurances for your business such as liability, property, workers' compensation, implement bookkeeping with software or a bookkeeper, create essential contracts with legal advice, open a separate business bank account, utilize industry-specific management software, establish a competitive pricing structure, set up credit card processing and plan a grand opening for promotion and attracting customers. Tailor these steps to your business's unique needs for a successful launch. There's no need to have a business degree to start an axe-throwing business, but certain skills and experience are helpful and can increase your chances of starting a successful business. Best of luck! If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.